There we are. We're at the Blacksmith Arms in Coniston. We're coming for a meal. So, yes, this is Lady Sarah's new car. It's not black. It's what they call aubergine. It's a very dark brown. Is it? Yeah. On the Sarah says on the logbook it says it's brown, but yeah, it's a very very reddy brown, kind of like aubergine colour. So let's have a look here. What we got here? There we go. I'll see if they let us do a little bit of filming on the inside. Right, there we go. There's the gardens outside. Right, let's go right this way. We've come early. Not because of any other reason other than the fact Sarah's working, and we both got to get up early. So here we come round to this side of the bar. They do guest ales. That's one of the best parts of this pub, is getting local ales all the way just across the other side of the river. Oh, sorry.
That's alright.
Lovely, thank you very much. Thank you, madam.
So what do you think to the pub, Sarah? Yeah.
It's a very nice pub.
Yeah?
Very nice meals.
Yeah.
Get what you pay for, it's nice.
Okie dokie. They have quite a large selection of beers, and but only one guest ale, which is the Tytu Alba. Tytu Alba. Tyto Alba. Which is quite a strong beer, so we shan't be having more than 7. Anyway, this pub seems to have been built in 1955. As we came around the corner, there was a door with built into the framework of the door. It said 1955, so I'm assuming that's when it was built. They've shortened the car park. They put a couple of houses on, obviously to enable the pub to continue. Otherwise, it probably would have gone out of business a few years ago. But yeah, this is an absolutely lovely pub. I think we've been through the menu in meal-wise, so it's definitely a nice place to come and visit if you're going to come and visit Blacksmiths Arms, Coniston, in Hull. There we go. This is chicken schnitzel. And Sarah's got the pie with extra gravy. Well, we just paid and got out. It was very nice of the landlord to let us film inside, as it was so empty. So that was rather nice. There's a lot of history about this particular pub. Apparently it may have moved since it was originally built. So the 1955 might actually be the date of the new pub. Anyway, so we're back at the car, and we're just going to drive home because I'm not driving. Sarah's driving, so she's in the driver's seat and I'm in the passenger seat. So we'll see you all on the next one. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, give them a thumbs up, and if you're in the area, go to the Blacksmiths Arms and have a meal. It's fantastic in there. See you later. Bye then.